Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting and fast growing fields in technology, artificial intelligence and machine learning. In simple terms, artificial intelligence or AI is when machines are designed to mimic human intelligence, things that reasoning, decision making, and even creativity. Machine learning, often called as ML, is a subset of AI that focuses on how machines can learn from data without being programmed. In this video, we will break down how machines actually learn, explore real world applications you see every day, understand some challenges, and finally look at what the future of AI and ML holds. Stick around till the end because the future might surprises you. Let's start with the basics. What is AI and ML? In traditional programming, humans had to write every single instructions. For example, when you use a calculator, it only works because someone programmed mathematical rules step by step. But with machine learning, we don't write all the rules. Instead, we give machines lots of data and they figure out the patterns themselves. Think of it like teaching a child to recognize fruits. If you try to explain, apples are red, round, sometimes green, and bananas are yellow and long, the child might get confused with all those conditions. Instead, if you show the child hundreds of pictures of apples and bananas over time, they learn to recognize them naturally. That's how ML works. Machines learn patterns from examples, not from rigid rules.
So, how exactly do machines learn? The process is usually divided into 5 steps. Data collection. Machines need information, images, text, videos, or even sensor readings. For example, to train a spam filter, we collect thousands of emails. Data processing. Raw data is messy. We clean it, remove duplicates, and organize it so the machines can understand. Model training. Here's where algorithms come in. The machines analyze the training data and looks for patterns. Testing and evaluation. After training, we test the model with new unseen data to check how well it performs. Prediction and deployment. Once it's reliable, the model is developed to make real world decisions. Example: a spam email detector is trained with millions of examples labeled as spam or not spam. Later, it can accurately identify whether your new email is spam without needing a human to check.
Types of machine learning. Machine learning isn't one size fits all. It has three main types. Supervised learning. This is when the machine learns with answers already provided. For instance, we give it emails marked as spam or not spam. The machine then learns to classify future emails. Unsupervised learning. Here, no answers are given. The machine just looks at data and finds hidden pattern. For example, shopping apps can group customers with similar buying habits. This is how you get product recommendation. Reinforcement learning. This is like teaching through trial and error. The machine tries something, receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties, and learns what works best. Self-driving cars and gaming AIs like AlphaGo use this method.
Now, let's bring it closer to home. Where do you already see AI and ML around you? Voice assistants. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant all use ML to understand your voice and answer questions. Recommendation systems. Netflix suggests shows, YouTube recommends videos, and Amazon recommends products using ML based algorithms. Healthcare. AI can analyze scans and even predict diseases earlier than doctor in some cases. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars uses AI to detect traffic signals, pedestrians and other vehicles. Banking and finance. ML detects unusual transactions and help prevent fraud. Chances are you have already interacted with ML today. Maybe even before watching this video.
There are several challenges. Data quality. If the training data is inaccurate or incomplete, the message will make a poor decisions. Garbages in equal to garbages out. Ethnic and biases. If the data is biased, the AI will also be biased. For example, if the hiring AI is trained or biased, data is might be unfairly rejected the qualified candidates. Computational power. Training modern AI in model often requires massive computing power and electricity, which isn't cheap. So will AI powerful is also bring serious responsibility.